So, I am, hey guys, whoever's watching, Chris, Jay, Vinny, um, using QuickTime Player. Hopefully this is a little bit more entertaining than looking at a bunch of screenshots. So, I'm going to run through my Amazon project real quick. I did all three levels, customer, manager, and supervisor. I'll go ahead and run through those real quick for you. So I'm going to go ahead and do customer first. Pretty simple. Connected to the database, and it looks like we have 13 different products here. Just basically all this does is just pull up the products, price, etc., and you're then prompted about which item you want to buy. I want to buy ID 5. I want to buy ketchups, so I want to go ahead and buy 3 ketchups. And so what I have here is you'll actually see up here that it has the item purchase and then your total. I use a little bit of like a promise-like thing so that the customer automatically loops back up and is prompted to buy another product. So that's what you see there. A little bit confusing, but not too bad. So then I also have it spitting out the total of the purchase as well. So I can go ahead and buy one more thing if I want to. I'll buy 1 hat. And so you will see in my inventory here that the actual quantity of those items will go down. So sorry, I'll do it one more time so you can see that. So let's see, I have let's just buy a MacBook real quick. I'd like to buy one, and so you'll see right now I have 9 MacBooks with the product sales being that. I'll go ahead and refresh that. It should be at 8, and then you'll see the product sales did go up. Okay. Next example would be the Amazon manager, I believe. And so, view products for sale, pretty straightforward. It has a list of all the products that you'll see in the SQL database right there. Quantity available, price, and the ID/item name. Okay, we'll go ahead and go to view low inventory. This is anything under 5 or under products left. You'll see that magazine, desk, and guitar are the ones with 5 or less items, and it spit those 3 out for you. So cool. You have also add to inventory. So I'll go ahead and you know what? I'll add 10 magazines to the rack. So I'll go ahead and do that because right now I have 3. It looks like. So then you have a little notification to the user that the quantity was updated to 13. You go over here and refresh, and see it did change to 13. And then the last functionality for that one was add a new product. So I'll go ahead and look around my room and see that I see a watch. So I'll go ahead and do that. Department it belongs to will be, what will it be? Let's just do fashion. You know what? Let's do fucking clothing, excuse me. And how much will you be willing to sell this for? Let's say $59.99. And how many will initially stock? I'll stock 12. And then the product is added. And I'll go over to my database. And boom. Default to product sales is 0. Obviously none have been sold yet. Stock quantity of 12. Price of $59.99, etc. So I think that is the end of the Amazon manager portion, and last is the supervisor. So view product sales by department, and voila, I downloaded the console table package. It prints out the department ID, the department name, overhead costs that I made up, and I'll go ahead and go over here to the actual, and you'll see that total profit is there, and I made up a little formula in my code, obviously, right here as profit and profit sales, etc. You guys will be able to take a better look at that later. And yeah, so there's your little table, has the profit, etc. So, and last is adding a new department. And I'll zoom in here real quick. So I will add the produce department because my store does everything from watches to apples. And the overhead cost is pretty low, I guess. I'll just do 60, and then the department has been added, and I'll go over here, and produce has been added by with an overhead of 60. And so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I don't know how to turn this off.